Giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track, sponsored by CareSource.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele, and joining us in studio today is Steve Smitherman. Welcome to the studio. Here's what we're going to talk about. A couple exciting things. First of all, we're going to talk about CareSource, but we're going to talk about your union with the Indiana Fever. Let's start first with, what is CareSource?
CareSource is a nonprofit health plan here in Indiana that serves individuals on the Hoosier HealthWise, Healthy Indiana Plan, and Health Insurance Marketplace Exchange. We currently serve about 250,000 Hoosiers across the state of Indiana. And I think the differentiator for us is we don't just focus on their physical health, but also their social well-being, which will include food, housing, transportation, education, and jobs.
All very important things here in central Indiana. And we've heard in the news, we know it's a big deal, and WTHR is the home of the Indiana Fever, and you are also a very proud sponsor of the Indiana Fever. Why is it important for CareSource to be a sponsor of the Indiana Fever?
Absolutely. We're extremely excited about our partnership with the Fever. The buzz around the community, and not only the community, but the state about the Fever, really has allowed individuals to be connected to the Fever for the first time in a long time in a different way. I mean, they're selling out stadiums every night that they're here. The viewership on television when they play away games is big. And what we see is with the stadiums being sold out, we're seeing families and friends gathering to watch women's basketball, maybe for the first time in a long time. And those types of community involvements allow for individuals to kind of relieve a little bit of stress, I think, and help their mental health. And obviously that's a tremendous focus of ours. Secondly, I think, we really want to encourage young women and young girls to get into sports and stay in sports. We see the data shows that girls quit sports at twice the rate of boys do by the age of 14. So we hope this partnership with the Fever will encourage young ladies to get into sports, stay into sports. And personally, I've coached youth sports for over 20 years and see the impact that sports can have on kids from 8 to 18 years old and how it improves their overall mental health. And again, that's a tremendous focus for us.
All right. So if somebody's watching today and they would like to learn more about CareSource, where can they go to find out more?
CareSource.com, of course, our website, or we're on all social media platforms. You can follow us there and connect to us through there.
All right, Steve, thank you so much for sharing that with us. And I guess we should say, go Fever, right?
Absolutely, go Fever.
And if you would like to see your business or your organization featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@WTHR.com.
Today's 13 Inside Track was sponsored by CareSource.